Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 28th. Westminster Abbey is officially completed 1065. On December 28, 1065, Westminster Abbey was officially completed in England under the direction of King Edward the Confessor. The Grand Church quickly became one of the most important religious centers in Britain. Over the centuries, nearly every English and British monarch has been crowned there. Its impressive design and sacred importance made it famous across Europe. The Abbey also became a burial place for kings, queens, and notable figures. Even today, Westminster Abbey stands as a powerful symbol of royal tradition and history. Galileo accidentally observes Neptune 1612. On December 28, 1612, the famous astronomer Galileo Galilei observed an unusual object while studying the night sky. He believed it was just a distant star and recorded it in his notes. Many years later, scientists realized that the object Galileo saw was actually the planet Neptune. This discovery made Galileo the first known person to observe Neptune, even though he did not recognize it at the time. The planet would not be officially discovered until 1846. This moment highlights how advanced Galileo's astronomical work truly was. Iowa becomes the 29th U.S. state 1846. On December 28, 1846, Iowa officially became the 29th state of the United States. The region was well known for its rich soil and strong farming potential. Its admission helped support America's westward expansion during the 19th century. Agriculture soon became the heart of Iowa's economy. Farmers played a major role in feeding the growing nation. Today, Iowa remains one of the leading agricultural states in the country. Lumiere Brothers launched commercial cinema 1895. On December 28, 1895, the Lumiere Brothers organized the world's first paid public film screening in Paris, France. Audiences gathered to watch short films projected onto a screen. Many people were amazed to see moving images for the first time in history. This event is considered the birth of commercial cinema. It changed how people experienced entertainment forever. Modern movies and theaters trace their origins back to this historic night. Deadly Messina earthquake strikes Italy 1908. On December 28, 1908, a powerful earthquake struck the city of Messina in Italy. It became one of the deadliest earthquakes in European history. More than 80,000 people lost their lives as buildings collapsed within minutes. Entire cities were left in ruins. The tragedy shocked the world and led to international rescue and aid efforts. It also encouraged improvements in earthquake research and disaster preparedness. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.